Hi everyone! Today I will be showing you how to do this super easy peach wave sunset. So to start off, you'll need a canvas. You can choose any size. This one is the 11 by 14 inch. You will need to grab a piece of tape and mark it off halfway through the canvas just so we can cut off the border of where the sunset and the water will meet. Next, we'll mix 70% white to 30% of white acrylic using a flat brush, and you will be creating a beautiful teal-like light blue color for the sky. As you move down using the blue paint, you'll introduce a little bit more white and blend it down a little more or go a little bit higher to lighten the blue. Next, you'll be mixing equal parts of red, blue, and a tinge of yellow to create a gray-like color, just to transition from the blue to the white to the gray as we add in the peach colored for the sunset soon. So keep blending, make sure that there is no color streaks left behind. Next, we'll just add in a little bit of a yellow and white mix into the gray, and again, just keep blending it up and down so it all looks more seamless together. Alright, so next we'll be adding a little bit more of white with a tinge of orange to create a peach color. Again, keep blending it up and down, and then you'll add in a little bit more red towards the bottom. Here you can make any adjustments you need to lighten up the sky to make it a little bit more peachy or lighter. You can do whatever you wish. Here I'm just adding a little bit more white and orange to make it more peachy. Now we're going to be doing a gray base for the water. You can go ahead and use gray paint, or you can mix about 80% white with 20% black. Now grab with an angled brush the same peach color that you used for the sky to do small streaks along the gray part of the canvas. Alright, so now moving along to the waves, you will grab a clean angled brush and you will mix a navy blue color with a little bit of black just to get a darker shade. and you will start using the angled brush to create angles for the wave, going from a thin straight line to a little bit more of a thicker side. Now that you have pretty much painted on the waves, you can start painting underneath the bigger waves towards the front of the canvas to make it look more three-dimensional by adding a little bit more thickness to it. Just lightly brush a little bit of the navy blue paint at the bottom of the wave. Once you're done with the waves, now you'll grab a little bit of the peach paint that we've used for the sky to do long strokes along the water to make it look the light is reflecting on the water. You can use peach, you can use a little bit of white, and a little bit of a teal blue. I just use a mix of those three to make it look more natural. Okay, so now grabbing white paint and a small brush, you're gonna create small dots along the horizon to make it look like the sun is reflecting onto the water and adding a little bit of sparkle. So you're just gonna simply add dots straight right beside each other and keep about ½ inch away from each of the lines. And as you go closer to the end of the canvas, the longer the lines of the white lines will be. Okay, so now it's time to create a sun. So grabbing a little bit of white paint and a small brush, you're just going to go in a circular motion to create a small circle, just a small sun. You don't need to make it big, but again, it's up to your liking. Okay, so now grabbing a little bit of the navy blue black mix again, we are going to use that to fill the bottom of the wave to make it look more realistic and three-dimensional. I forgot to do this in the beginning, but you can definitely do this towards the end. And then I'll just use the remaining paint that's on the brush to create more shadows along the water. Okay, so your painting is pretty much finished. I'm just doing final touches here. I'm just adding a little bit more sparkle. Again, you can do whatever you wish. If they've done any mistakes, you know, this is totally normal and fine. This is the only way we can learn how to paint. Feel free to let me know if you have any suggestions in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this painting. Till then, we'll see you.